Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Agri Science Past Question 1. A piece of land which is left to revert to bush after a period of cultivation is called dash. A. Forest, B. Bush, C. Shifting cultivation, and D. Pasture. So we are asked to look for the term that is used to describe a piece of land which is left to revert to bush after a period of cultivation. Now, A says forest. Now, a forest just simply means what? A piece of land. Forest is a piece of land with many trees. A piece of land with many trees. And these forests do occur naturally around the world, and they can also be derived. That is, forests can be made artificially by planting what trees in a large area of land. Then B here says bush. Bush. Now bush just simply refers to what? Small woody plants. Bush refers to small woody plants. Then C says shifting cultivation. Now shifting cultivation is a form of agriculture in which what? An area of land is abandoned. An area of land is abandoned for few years after a period of cultivation. That's shifting cultivation. So it's just simply what a form of agriculture in which a land that has been cultivated for a period of time is left so that what it can regain its nutrients, so that it can improve in its fertility. That's shifting cultivation. Now pasture here just simply refers to what? It simply refers to vegetations. Pasture simply refers to what? Vegetations that are actually consumed by farm animals. So that is it. But the question here says a piece of land which is left to revert to bush after a period of cultivation. And like I say shifting cultivation simply means what? Leaving an area of land after it has been cultivated for a period of time to regain its nutrients or fertility. So the answer to this question is what? Option C, shifting cultivation. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos.